Thanks for joining us for this week's In the Know, Community ISD's weekly podcast that highlights news from around Brave Nation. It's finally time our Mighty Braves band heads to area on Saturday. They'll face over 20 other bands at the C.H. Collins Complex in Denton. They reached this point by registering a superior performance at the regional competition last week in Salina. Our Farm Fresh series continued this month with a special appearance by the Child Nutrition Department at Roderick Elementary. Menu planner Danae Freeman did a quick lesson on the benefits of the cucumber and why we pickle items. Mrs. Freeman and our Roderick students then did a hands-on portion, and the students were able to put fresh dill, garlic, and cucumbers into their mason jars. Mrs. Freeman added brine, and the students will have pickles in about 3 days that they can enjoy right out of the fridge. Brave Nation showed a united front against bullying Wednesday by wearing orange in observation of Unity Day 2023. Thank you to everyone that participated across all of our campuses. We are proud of you for taking a stand against bullying. For more information about Unity Day, click on the link in the description. Join us on Tuesday for another Facebook Live chat. Featured guests for this month include CTE construction class, McClendon principal Melanie Edwards, and the CHS cross-country team. We'll also discuss Community Christmas and the current special session in Austin. And of course, we'll round out the night by answering your questions live on air. Principals Month continues to the rest of October. All month long, we'll be highlighting the contributions of the administrators at each of our campuses. Make sure you reach out to these amazing leaders and show them how much you appreciate everything they do for our students and staff. Parent Resource Night was held earlier this week, and it was a great event. In addition to dozens of resources for parents and guardians, the night also included performances from students across Brave Nation. If you missed the event Tuesday and need any sort of help for you or your student, please contact your campus counselors. December is just around the corner, and we're excited to bring back one of our favorite annual traditions, Community Christmas. Each year, Community ISD partners with local churches, charities, and businesses, as well as generous individuals to provide Christmas gifts to families that need help. If you or your family need help this Christmas, stay tuned to communityisd.org and our social media the week of October 23rd through 27, when we'll open the online registration portal for this year's gift distribution. This year's Community Christmas student participation is again limited to the first 500 who sign up. So please don't miss your opportunity to get registered. Let's close the episode with a reminder of varsity sports on the road on Friday. Both the volleyball team and the football squad are away from the friendly confines of Brave Nation. CHS Volleyball plays its last road contest of the year at Caddo Mills at 4:30 p.m. with the live stream that's listed in the show description. And football travels to Anna on Friday with a kickoff set for 7:30 p.m. In case you can't make it, the football game will be available for free on the Community Braves Network. Watch every episode of In the Know by subscribing to the Community ISD YouTube channel or liking us on Facebook. Plus, if you'd prefer to listen on your commute, be sure to subscribe on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or your favorite platform. That's it for this week's episode. Go Braves!